I bought the Samsung 55-inch Odyssey Ark 2nd Gen 4K so you don't have to guess. Here's everything I found. To be honest, when I first heard about this monitor, I wasn't sure if it was worth the hype. But I figured, why not? It's a 55-inch curved gaming monitor with some crazy features, and I'm all about trying new things out. So, who actually needs this product? Well, you probably do if you're an avid gamer or content creator. If you spend hours on end playing the latest games or editing videos, this thing can make your life a heck of a lot easier. The 55-inch screen is massive, and that curved design really wraps around your field of vision. I mean, it's not just about looks, it's about immersion. And, let me tell you, this thing delivers. Now, here are the 3 features that matter most to real users. First off, we have the 4-input multi-view feature. Look, if you've got multiple devices connected to your console or PC, and you want to see all of them on one screen at once, this is a game changer. You can connect your console, switch to your laptop, and still see all 3 on one screen. It's crazy convenient. Second, we have the 165 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time. Real talk, if you're into fast-paced games or action movies, this thing is a beast. Lag? What lag? With these specs, you'll feel like you're flying across the screen. And, I mean that in the best possible way. Lastly, we have the swing into groundbreaking views feature. This is where things get really interesting. You can rotate the screen to cockpit mode with HAZ, tilt and pivot functionality for an optimal screen environment. Its perfect positioning creates a new sense of world-blending immersion. And, let me tell you, it's freaking cool. Now, I've got to talk about what real buyers love. I mean, 9 out of 10 reviewers on Amazon are raving about this thing. They love the multi-view feature, saying it's so convenient and makes their gaming sessions way more enjoyable. They also rave about the quantum mini LED technology, saying it delivers crystal clear images. But, here's the one honest complaint I've seen. Some folks are saying that the sound quality could be better. And, yeah, it's not bad by any means, but if you're looking for top-notch audio, this might not be the best option for you. So, is this thing worth buying? Well, in my opinion, yes. It feels fair for what you get. I mean, sure, it's a 55-inch curved gaming monitor with some crazy specs, but that comes at a price. And, let me tell you, Samsung isn't cheap. But, if you're looking to upgrade your gaming setup or need a new screen for work, this is definitely worth considering. Tap subscribe for more honest reviews like this, no fluff, just the real verdict. Link is in the description below. Thanks for watching, catch you in the next one.